Teka lang. Naka-subscribe ka sa akin? Bilagin kita, subscribe mo ko. 1, 2, 3. Ang simula ang video na to. Maraming salamat ang nootin. Buddy, ako pala si KFC Leader. Tayo ang Cookhaven News.
I want to know what secrets are hiding behind these castle walls.
Sky, you're not gonna break into a castle on live TV, are
Tayo
you?
guys, let's go.
Sky!
Wow, look at this place.
May bagong
Gold chairs,
content
velvet
dito,
couches. I wonder if...
May bago update.
Whoa, cool.
Sky, wait! You don't know what's down there!
Relax, Brian. I'm a professional.
Sky, wait!
Whoa, you can see the whole town from up here. You don't get views like this.
Grabe yung update ni Cookhaven. May pirates pa kung saan nilang kita sa man.
Best seat in town.
Sorry to interrupt Sky, but we've got a new story coming in right now. Following an explosion at the power plant a few weeks ago, officials repeatedly assured residents that the zombie situation was under control. However, we're now receiving reports of a possible new sighting. We go live now to Philandry, who's on the scene.
Hey guys! Welcome back!
Yun!
Ngayon, nasa Brookhaven tayo. Pero, may problema. May zombie apocalypse daw. Kaya ang mission natin, mabuhay! Kahit
Mabuhay daw.
medyo tamad ako. Bro, kinakabahan na ako.
Feeling ko hindi na tayo abot ng ending.
Good morning, Brookhaven!
Yun.
Ay, di pala good morning. Good luck pala.
Takbo na agad.
Hindi pa ako ready mamatay.
Kailangan natin ng supplies para mabuhay. Bread, check. Pizza, check. Chips, check. Healthy food. Huwag na. Apocalypse naman. Pwede ba ice cream din?
Priorities talaga, pizza.
Dagaw.
Guys! May zombie sa likod ko! Uy!
Bo!
Kuya zombie! Diet ka ba? Huwag mo akong kainin! Bro, nasa likod mo talaga!
Patay na tayo.
Number
Power.
1, sa zombie apocalypse.
Grabe naman.
Tumakbo ka agad!
Grabe.
Rule number 2, pag napagod ka, magtago ka lang muna. Bakit ka uminto?
Hindi ito PE class.
Safe na ako dito.
Ay, grabe. May zombie.
Bakit may zombie sa bahay ko? Teka lang, nagbayad ka ba ng rent? Labas na tayo!
Kahit zombie squatter na.
Guys, mukhang hindi ko na masosurvive to. Pero okay lang, basta may pizza ako habang apocalypse.
Grabe.
Uy, bigyan mo nga akin ako.
Last
Wala,
meal
putok pala.
natin, pizza pa.
Wala. Tapos may pala yun daw. Grabe. Wala.
I'm sure he's fine, right? Well, that's all we have time for today. I'm Brian Chase.
And I'm Sky. Goodbye.
Yak. Yun lang guys. Tangis. Sorry. Maraming salamat guys ang nanood ang video na to. Please share and subscribe. Goodbye. Gusto nyo ba sumali sa Water Squad RP? Dapat mila ka ang Discord Facebook account. Dapat gawa ka sa sarili mo. Tsaka igay ko sa description ang baba. Thank you. Goodbye.